morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Isha Gaur and I am your computer teacher. And as you know, we have already started chapter number 3 using the keyboard. So as you all know that in the last class I showed you a keyboard. You all remember that? Yes, you saw all the keys on it, right? Yes, apart from that we have already done alphabet key and number keys. What are alphabet keys? Alphabet keys are those keys on which alphabets are written, right? Now, what are number keys? Number keys are those keys on which numbers are written. So, both of these keys are used to type on the computer. So, in today's class, we are going to talk about special keys. What are special keys? The keys other than number keys and alphabet keys are known as special keys. These keys have some special tasks which they have to perform, like moving to next line while typing, typing in uppercase, etc. So now we are going to discuss some basic special keys in today's class. There are 4 basic keys which are spacebar, backspace, enter and caps lock. So these are some basic special keys which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's start with our first key, which is spacebar. What is a spacebar? The spacebar key is used to create some space between words while typing. So this spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. You have all seen, right? When I showed you the keyboard? Yes? Yes. So as you can see this picture, this is the keyboard. This picture is also given in your textbooks, right? Yes. So you see this red highlighted box is the special key which is called spacebar. As you can see, it is the longest key on the keyboard, right? Yes. Now let's talk about our other special key, which is backspace. Okay, what is a backspace key? Backspace key moves the cursor backwards. Just like we use an eraser to erase any mistakes that we have done on our notebooks, we use the backspace key to erase the mistake that we had last time. It is usually the last key in the row of number keys. So as you can see in this picture, the highlighted red box is the backspace key. You see, it is in your books as well. Okay students, so now let's start the reading of page number 21. Take out your books and we will start reading. Now everybody put your finger on the words that I am going to read and you have to read along with me. Let's start the reading. Special keys. The keys other than the number and alphabet keys on a computer keyboard are called special keys. They are used to perform special tasks such as moving to the next line while typing, typing uppercase letters, etc. Some basic special keys on the keyboard are as follows. Spacebar. The spacebar key is used to create spaces between words while typing. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Backspace. The backspace key moves the cursor backwards. It can be used to erase the character that was last typed. It is usually the last key number keys. Okay. So these were the two special keys, spacebar, backspace, right? We have already discussed them and I have already explained. If you have any doubt in them, please come to me, I will help you. Now let's talk about other two special keys, enter and caps lock. So what is an enter key? The enter key is used to shift the cursor to the next line, right? Whenever we write anything on our notebook, we come to next line automatically, right? Similarly, we use enter key to come on the next line. It is usually found at the end of the middle row of the alphabet keys. Okay? Now let's talk about caps lock key. What is a caps lock key? You know, sometimes ma'am asks you to write in capital letters in your notebooks, right? So similarly, whenever we want to write or type in capital letters in a computer, we use caps lock key. Caps lock key helps us to make our letters in capital letter, which is known as uppercase letters in computer language. And when we want to go back to small letters, we have to press it again. Then the letters become lowercase letters. Now look at this picture. This picture is in your book as well. As you can see that the highlighted red box is the caps lock key. You can see? Correct. Now everybody come to page number 22. Let's start the reading of page number 22. Enter. The enter key is used to shift the cursor to the next line. It is usually found at the end of the middle row of the alphabet keys. Caps lock. The caps lock key, when pressed, causes the letters to be typed in uppercase. We have to press it again to continue typing in lowercase. So now with that, we have completed our chapter number 3. This key is used to erase the characters last time. So just like we use an eraser to erase anything which we have written on your... I hope you all understood all the special keys discussed in this class. Let's quickly recap it. What are special keys? Keys other than number keys and alphabet keys are known as special keys. They have some special tasks which they have to perform. In chapter number 3, we have discussed 4 types of special keys, which are spacebar, backspace, enter and caps lock. Students, if you have any doubt in them, please come to me in class. I will help you. Thank you for today. Stay happy and healthy.